Hey, what's going on today, guys? Today we're working on the thermostat on my 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee. All right, we're gonna have to take all of that off, but let's go ahead, get into it, and see what it's gonna be like. All right, guys, be right back. All right, so the first thing we got to do, this is just a little plastic cap. Take that off. This has little bitty bumpers under it, which is not bad. The little bumpers go inside of there, so that's pretty simple to take off. Now this right here is going to probably be where it gets interesting. I think right here we need a 8mm, and then on that side, let's see, this comes, does that twist out? That comes out like that. Okay, and I think I might just get a Phillips screwdriver. All right, let's see if that's loose enough, and just enough to give us some room. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, lift that up like that. Probably shouldn't have done it that hard, but hey, the job got done. Okay, let's move that out of the way. Now this right here is what we're looking for, and that thermostat should be a 10mm. So let's get a 10mm. We're not going to reuse this, so I'm just going to use the bucket that I have. So let's take this, put this there. Get in there. Slide that back as far as we need to. And you can feel the plastic to see how far back you really need to go with it. But yeah, then get your bucket, put under there. Yeah. All right. But we're going to take this garbage bag and kind of run it right there just to keep it from dripping on them belts. I really don't want nothing dripping on them belts. One screw out of the bottom of our bucket. Okay, that's what the old one looks like. And then we got to take off the old O-ring. Take that off. Let me give y'all a better look at what that looks like. And this one right here is what came off of it. So, and you can buy this in a separate piece, and I guess it kind of snaps down in there. But I went ahead and got the whole piece. So hopefully, you know, it'll be pretty cool. All right, that's right there. All right. So here's the new, that's the new piece. That's what it looks like with the little valve on it. Everything right there. So it's almost identical. It slides right there. Get the screw. I think you're supposed to tighten these to like 9 pounds pressure. Okay. Put that back on. Let's just go with it right there. It's got a little stopper right there, so we're gonna go with the stopper. There we go. Okay, let's put it about right there, so it'll be easier. And I guess that blue kind of shows you where it's tightened at. And then we undo this valve right here, just to let the air pressure out. I think I might wash that a little bit too. This might not do a lot, but I just wanted to kind of dilute all that all that radiator fluid. You know, if it helps it a little bit, I'll be all right. Just regular water. I would use Simple Green, but it's in my truck, so don't have it. Can't use it. So we're going to crank this up and see how much goes. Let me take this down. Move all this over. Give me some room to work. Okay, all the air is gone. That's all I needed. All right, well, let's turn it on. Yeah, what that was is the air valve. And just to get all the air that's out of the system, which it, evidently didn't have a whole lot in the system. So that's good. Let's go ahead and clean this back off again. And then we're going to, put everything back on. You've seen how simple it was to take off. So putting it back on, we just got to put this on, which is an 8mm, tighten it down, put that on, which is an 8mm, or flathead screwdriver. Flathead screwdriver or 8mm to put this on, put that on. Plug that back in, and then it needs the bottom of it. This right here sits over there. This right here goes in here. You got one on the top, you got one on the bottom. So that's it. It's pretty, I mean, I ain't gonna say self-explanatory, but once you know what you're doing, it's not bad. Oh, I guess we'll go ahead and put this back on. Back on, slide this in like that. Need to hear the click, people. Need to hear the click. And like I said, tighten that down. 8mm. We use 10mm on the thermostat, 8mm on everything on the other thing. Yeah. Pop that down in there like that. All right. And that right there is gonna pretty much do it. Just got to put, you know, the top plate and all that on there. But as far as everything else, it's complete. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys watching. If nothing else, please be good to yourself and please be good to others. All right, thank you. Bye.